What if I told you you've been punching wrong your entire life? This one technique can instantly triple your punching power, but 99% of coaches will never teach you this. Stay until the end because I'm revealing the secret that professional fighters use to knock out opponents with a single strike. Here's the truth. Most people think punching power comes from muscle strength. They spend hours in the gym, lifting weights, building biceps, but when it comes to actual punching, their power is still weak. Why? Because they're missing one critical element that has nothing to do with strength. In fact, some of the hardest punchers in history weren't the most muscular. Bruce Lee weighed only 135 pounds, yet his 1-inch punch could send a 200-pound man flying backward. How? Physics, not muscles. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact 4-step formula that will transform your punch from weak to absolutely devastating. And here's the best part. You don't need to lift a single weight. This works whether you're training for boxing, MMA, or simply want to defend yourself in a street fight. By the end of this video, you'll understand the secret that took fighters years to discover. Let's start with the foundation. Step 1. Your arm must be straight and stiff at the moment of impact. Watch this comparison carefully. When you punch with a bent arm, the force gets absorbed by your own elbow joint. It's like trying to push a car with your arms bent. You lose all the power. But when your arm is completely straight and locked, all that force transfers directly into your target. It's the difference between a push and a sledgehammer. Step 2. Use your entire body, not just your arm. This is where most people fail. They think punching is an arm movement. It's not. It's a full body explosion. Your power comes from the ground up. Push off your back foot, rotate your hips violently, and let that rotation travel through your core, into your shoulder, and finally, into your fist. You're essentially turning your body into a human catapult. Think about baseball players hitting home runs. They don't just swing their arms, they twist their entire body. The same physics applies to punching. When you rotate your hips, you're adding the weight of your entire body behind that punch. That's how a 150-pound person can hit harder than a 220-pound bodybuilder. Step 3. The exhale. You've heard fighters make that sharp shh or tss sound when they punch, right? That's not for show. It's essential for maximum power. Here's why. When you hold your breath, your body tenses up. Tense muscles are slow muscles, but when you exhale sharply at the exact moment of impact, your muscles engage explosively, your core tightens like a steel cable, and all that energy transfers into your punch. Professional fighters don't just breathe, they explode their breath out. Try it right now. Hold your breath and tense your arm. Feel stiff, right? Now exhale sharply with a shh sound and punch. Feel the difference? That's the power of proper breathing. Now, these 3 steps alone will dramatically improve your punching power. But before I reveal the secret 4th technique, the one that coaches don't teach, I want to give you something completely free. I've created a detailed power punching blueprint with visual guides, training drills, and common mistakes to avoid. The link is in the description below. No sign-up required, just click and download. Trust me, you'll want this. All right, here it is, the technique that will make everything click. I call it the momentum transfer method. And warning, when you first try this, you're going to feel unstable, even uncomfortable. That's good, because what you're about to learn goes against everything traditional coaches teach about balance and stance. Here's how it works. Instead of staying in your regular fighting stance, you're going to bring both feet together. Yes, together, like you're standing normally. I know what you're thinking. Wait, I'll lose my balance. Exactly, and that's the point. Now, from this feet together position, step forward with your front foot and immediately throw your punch. Watch carefully. Feet together, step forward, explode. What's happening? You're not just using your body weight like in step 2, you're using the momentum of your entire body moving forward. It's like the difference between pushing someone and running into them full speed. Think about Olympic athletes. Javelin throwers don't just stand still, they run before releasing. Shot put athletes don't just push, they spin and transfer all their momentum into the throw. You're doing the same thing with your punch. You're transforming your body into a moving missile, and all that moving momentum concentrates into one single point, your fist. Let me show you the real difference. Watch this side-by-side comparison. On the left, a regular punch using steps 1 through 3. Solid power, right? Now, on the right, the same person using the momentum transfer method. Look at that impact difference. The bag doesn't just move, it flies back. That's not camera tricks, that's pure physics. You're adding the kinetic energy of your entire body in motion to an already powerful punch. The result? Knockout power, even if you're not the strongest person in the room. Now, a quick warning. Do not try to throw combinations with this technique. You will lose balance. This is a one-punch, fight-ending move. Use it when you need maximum power in a single strike. Also, practice this slowly at first. Master the footwork, then add speed, then add power. There you have it, the complete power punching formula that can transform your strikes overnight. Remember, straight, stiff arm, full body rotation, explosive exhale, and the secret momentum transfer technique. But here's the thing, power without speed is useless. That's why I created this next video showing you how to double your punching speed in just 7 days. Now, go practice, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.